Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another card reading. Today's topic is what's coming up next in your love life for the specific sign. The sign is Cancer and the water sign. You want to know what is coming up in your love life in the coming days or ahead whenever you are watching this video, because it's just in a timeless reading, so you can watch it anytime, and whenever you are watching this video it will resonate with you. But it is in general reading, it may or may not resonate with everyone out there, so you have to be an open mind and just take what resonates with you. It's your moon sign or it's your sun sign, you take whatever you want, because the reading is for the Cancers, the Cancerians. So now what's coming up for them in their love life. Before dive into the reading, let me remind you once again that you can take any personal reading from my channel. The contact information is in the description box, so go and check out there, or you can take any personal consultation if necessary. So this is it. Now let's start with the reading. And when I am shuffling the cards, try to think about your partner so that I can tap into his energies, and I also try to add some oracle guidance for you in the last of the video so you can get the messages clearly. So now let's start what's coming up next for the sign of the Cancer, the Cancerians, water sign. What is coming up for them? The Empress, Wheel of Fortune. Nice, because the Wheel of Fortune card is here. You will get some good guidance, you will get some positivity, you will get some advice from your elders, especially your mother or your mother figure, anyone it can be. And there is a Wheel of Fortune card. You are protected in all ways, because this is the card, it shows the protection and it shows the turning of the wheel, turn the wheel of your fortune. So now the time is in your favor, now the time is in completely in your favor for your relationship, and whatever you were decided, it will be in the result, it will be for sure, and you will get what you are desire for. Because of the Empress card is here, you will get the positive and the positive guidance from this mentor. And one more thing, if you are already married and planning to be conceive a baby, so there's a chances also you will get the positive result, or you will get the everything you wanted, because the Wheel of Fortune card is here. If you are a girl and watching this video and you are married though, and if you are planning for this in your love life or your married life, whatever it can be, so there is a love, strongly there is a love, and if you are planning that, it will be going to happen soon, so you have to wait for that. Now let's see the more cards here. I'll just need the from the bottom of the deck. Page of Cups. Nice. You will, and some of you who are very much single from the long time, they will get committed soon, because there is a proposal coming in your way from your friend, the person you are already know who is that person, but you will get the proposal from him. He is very energetic, very intelligent, and he wants to be with you. He wants to make things with you. He wants to see you as he always see you as his best friend ever. So there's a thing, he wants to get committed with you, he wants to propose you, he wants to give you the solid offer. So this is what I'm picking up here, but it's for those who are single from the very long time. And now let's see the another cards. Two of Cups. Two of Cups card is here. There will be and if you people are in a relationship and are not getting any kind of commitment or a proposal, then for sure you will get the commitment, because there is a Two of Cups card here. Your relationship is very much protected from the universe, it's very much protected by the angels, and you two are very much into each other and sharing the equal bond. There is a love, there is a lot, there is a love and the emotions, care, feelings, and you two are sharing the equal bond here. You both are feel for each other, you both are feel very good for each other, and you want to take your relationship on the next level. So I do see that's what coming up for you, Cancer signs, the people who are a Cancer sign. Ten of Swords, Knight. Again there is a proposal card, guys. Knight of Cups is here. Ten of Pentacles is here. I do really pick up that signs here. If you are in not a very good situation, or your health is not good, then it will be grow soon, it will be improved. Don't worry about it, because I am just picking up here the card which shows the health issues. And if you people are go through this, so I'll just pray for you people, and you will be get you will be get recover soon, so don't worry about it. But yes, there is a signs which is I am picking up here. First, I'll just repeat. Firstly, for those who are single for the long time, they will get proposed by the someone, or they will get the proposal from they already know the partner, and they will get soon, they will get in the relationship. This is what I'm picking up here. And if you are in already in a relationship, then your relationship will be get committed soon in this period of the time, and the relationship is also get approved by the elders of your family, by your parents, by his parents, and the things will be going to be approved by your parents, because there is a thing which is going on here. You will be getting the committed relationship soon. And you, if you are married or planning to have a baby, then the chances are quite high, because the Empress card is here. Things are very good here, and you will get conceive, or you will get conceive easily, because the things are now good here. And the thing is, you will be in a very good energy right now, and you are in a very good energy right now for the love fronts. So I do suggest, just don't make yourself think down, because you are in a very good energies, and everything you want, that is attracting you back because of you, because of your aura. And now I do see your health issues, but it will be improved soon. So just don't be get panic, don't think too much, because the things are going to be improved soon. I do really see that the things will be improved soon, so don't worry at all. Now let me take out some oracle guidance for you. Big happy changes. I told you, I seriously, I told you now that the thing will be getting started approved in your family as well. You will be get committed in the relationship, you will get whatever you are desire for, because there is a big happy changes ahead. You will be, if you are a single for a long time, or your marriage will be delayed for the very long time, then it will be get the approval. You will be in a committed relationship soon, and your love life will be enhanced, and your love life will be good for now. Because I do see that the card is already jumped out from the deck, so I have to pick this. Compromise. And if you are not happy, actually, if you are not happy with the proposal that you are getting, or you are just try to be get confused, whatever the situation is, then you have to compromise, because it's just for your favor, it would be in your favor. And whatever you are getting it's only for you people. So don't give it a second thought, just try to accept it, be open to that. Whatever comes your way, be receptive, then we only attract the positiveness in your love life. So you have to do that. It's my advice to you people. Or if not able you to decide, then you can ask me for the personal readings as well. I'll do that for sure. First of all, you have to ask me for the personal reading then, because there is a proposal, there is a commitment, there is a things are coming in your way right ahead. So this is what I'm picking up for the signs of the for the Cancer sign, the water sign. So this is it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. I hope you like my reading, I hope you like my channel. So stay tuned for the next videos. Till then, bye.